Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're just gonna be doing a short miniature vlog type thing. I don't know what we're doing, but we just got our new couch and I've been looking for a couch for forever. Like since I met him, we've been looking at couches because the couches we have right now are really raggedy. Like, we needed new couches, but I also am very particular about the things that I like, so I couldn't find anything I like, but I finally found something I like. And I asked my little brother to come over to help us move the old couches to the dump and help us install the new couches. So our living room is quite a mess right now. Actually, our whole entire house is actually pretty much a mess. But see, these are the old couches. They're really bad. No judgment, y'all. No judgment, but they're really bad. They're really bad. So we need to replace them. And these are all the couches that, these are all the parts that we got. So we ordered this couch off of Wayfair. I need to look up the name of it again. There, we have 4 huge boxes. We have a lot going on in the house right now, so I just want to get started. So I'm gonna just start by clearing everything out of the way so that we could move everything out. And I'm just gonna situate you guys. So I get.
She forgot to clean out the couch cushions. I don't even know what this is. Should I do the thing? So, like that? Yeah, we laugh.
And I know that whenever you're happy, there's usually a problem.
You see that? You see that? Men are not allowed to be happy, or else it's a problem. That's on camera too. Now your audience knows how toxic you are. No, it stops.
They are really tossing this over the railing. Oh, don't break that.
Don't break what?
The banister.
We good?
Yep. About to break this tree, I already know. Dance, monkey, dance.
Your son will see this video someday and hear the racial slurs. Exactly. Exactly. Look, pop that. No. No. No.
Electric chair.
Oh, joy. Okay, we're opening the first one. Maybe slice it all the way, baby.
Maybe I didn't slice it all. What's that? Huh?
Oh my gosh. So this feels so good.
This exterior is extra cinematic.
How's
Very
an
nice.
exterior cinematic?
Very nice.
This genuine stingray skin.
Oh my god.
That'd be wild though. That's what I want in Africa. I want our couch to be made of stingray skin.
You're on crack. I don't think it's gonna be that hard to put together.
That's a cushion.
I'm glad you're smart enough to detect
No,
that,
like
baby.
feel it.
Oh, you said that's a cushion. Oh, it feels good. Look at our first cushion with no scratches. Ooh, and it's so soft. The texture is just everything.
Can't leave until this is finished.
She beats me.
Instead of the couch isn't finished by the time she gets back, she's gonna throw us over the bridge.
She calls me the N-word all the time.
Because you kind of feel like level. Watch, take a seat. Yeah, and look.
Alright,
Look.
it doesn't feel as weird as I thought it would.
Yeah, then you slide your feet a little bit down. You're down like this. That's comfortable.
Hi guys, so while the boys are putting the couch together, Melody asked me if I wanted to go to Sephora with her, so we're about to go to Sephora and do a little bit of grocery shopping. So I guess this has turned into a vlog. So let's see you guys when we get to, are we going to Sephora and Ulta?
If it's next to each other, yeah.
Yeah, they are.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to Sephora and Ulta. Juvia's place displays are always so pretty.
It's not that I don't want you.
Oh, Melody. 36 to 16, 20%
It's
off.
something about the way you stare.
This is all you and guys. Okay, guys. So we just finished. Shoot, I'm trying to get my bags. Okay, so we just came back from Sephora and Ulta and we're on our way to the grocery store. But we thought we'd do a little mini haul. I've never done a haul. I'm excited.
Got my birthday gift, of course, the Laneige. Jeez, the light is too much.
The light is way too bright.
Okay, just zoom in on your screen. The Laneige face mask, the sleeping mask, and then the lip sleeping mask. And then I got this rubber mask thing. Gonna try it. Don't know what's in it, but it looks fun. We'll see. And then I'm so excited. I found the mini Laura Mercier setting powder, and then I got the one from Fenty as well. I got it in honey, and I got a little something. This bitch.
There's white people. Lock the door.
I got a little perfume for my cologne, excuse me, for my man. I've tested one because if he doesn't like it, then why would I spend money? Then I got a glass primer from, oh, it's this way. Glass skin primer from Makeup Revolution. This is how it looks inside. It looks so cute and fancy.
I need to find one of those.
There's something in the bottom holding it. I don't get it. It's clear like glass, and I'm excited to try it. It's like a serum, so it's like a pump. See?
And she got that from Ulta.
Yes,
Ulta
from
Beauty.
Ulta. This is Ulta.
Ulta Beauty.
Then I got the caffeine drops or whatever to help my eye bags because I'm aging and I'm not looking like sweet 16 anymore. I got this hair tonic. It's from Bondi Boost. This girl on TikTok, she's black. She said it made her hair grow in like 90 days and it grew a lot, so you know, why not? And then I got this putty blush from, can you guys see it? Yes, from e.l.f.
I feel like it's a really good fall vibe to blush. Like, it's
So
really
we'll
good
see. I'm
for
gonna try it
fall.
soon. And then a setting spray from Morphe. And that's all for me.
Okay, I'm gonna start off with Sephora first. I got this body spray and it's a black amber plum spray. It smells really good. I was gonna get the vanilla, but I was like, too basic. Everybody got that, so I got this. And then I also got my birthday gift, so I got the same sleeping mask, lip mask, all that as her. And then everyone on YouTube keeps talking about this setting powder from Sephora, so I got this as well, and this is in the color Toffee Peach.
And it's a Sephora brand one.
Yeah, it's a Sephora brand, so we're gonna definitely try that. Oh, I didn't tell you guys the brand for this. This is Brazilian Crush.
Where the butt stuff is from. Butt
Yeah.
cream.
And then this is, I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. Everyone keeps saying to try it, and it was on sale for $8 off, so a bitch
Oh,
and
20% off, but yeah.
we copped. And then I got this tanning stuff from Ulta. It's from B Tan, and I got it in the color 2 Tan to give a damn. So
the darkest shade.
I'm gonna try this out. And then I got 2 things from The Ordinary. I got niacinamide because I literally just ran out. And I also got the caffeine solution for underneath my eyes as well. And then I also got the e.l.f. and this is their putty bronzer. And then I also got the same putty blush as her. And this is in the color Bali. So we have lots of makeup things. I bought lots of things I did not need, but who cares? Anyway, we're about to go to the grocery store, so we'll see you guys over there.
Alright, I'm back.
Imagine you dribbled onto the other side's head.
His first drink. Ooh. Did you put a hole in this?
Did I?
I don't know. I was asking. Let's look at him. Sad. Look at him. He's struggling. I don't know how to save him. Let's look at him.
Alright, chill.
Look at him.
Joy gotta cut this part out because if any girls see this, like he can't put it together on couch.
Yeah.
Screwed. Come on, bro.
Looks like you getting nothing but beanbag furniture when you move out, huh?
Tomorrow for sure.
Nah, you just gotta yeah, move.
Oh, wait.
You have
One less than 10. Alright. I got it. Chill.
She said she wants stuff to film.
This is for after hours.
After hours?
Yes,
Ew,
you know
you
how-
get naked? Not
No.
my house. Not
Hey,
my house.
Can this go on a
I have a baby.
Can this go on a time lapse?
Did you knock this over?
Knock which one over?
That cup.
Oh, it's empty.
Oh. It can do a time lapse, but it's gonna have to be like after she gets through with the editing process.
Yeah, that will make it look like I'm doing it fast.
It'll make it look like you're doing it fast,
I mean,
or it's gonna make it look like you struggled and she had to zoom through it.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, we'll get a good light on you so that way, you know, everybody can see how bad you're struggling.
No, I was just waiting for the good light so I can put it in really easily. Alright, you trying to sub in?
Bro, look what you did.
It wasn't me, it was your side.
Bruh.
We can fix it right now, it should be good.
Yeah, now we turn it around. No, we turn that piece around.
Yeah.
See? It's just a puzzle you gotta put together. Oh, why are you over here struggling? You'll get there. Here, boy.
Sit down.
This little boy. Yeah, I'm talking about you.
No. Okay guys, so I'm back home and they haven't finished the, I'm not even showing you guys.
I mean, we would have finished, we were just waiting for you.
What? They haven't finished the sectional yet, but this,
Didn't finish because your man here.
They started crying.
look at all these excuses.
I'm surprised he's even letting you sit down right now.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, so we're gonna finish the last corner piece. is the final product. I'm just gonna give you guys an overview shot. It's just really long and I don't have that much room to show you guys, but okay. So let's see how I can show you guys. I'm just trying to cover up the mess that's over there, I guess, and show you guys just this. So I guess I could just stand in this corner actually. But this is the finished product. I'm gonna put a link to the couch in the description box down below. Honestly, I am in love. I love the color. It's really soft and velvety material. I love how deep the couches are. That was the biggest thing, is I wanted to make sure that it was a deep couch because I like my feet dangling off the edge and I love laying in my couches, so I want to make sure that there is room enough for us to do that. And I really wanted to get a sectional because I just like that look right now, and especially since we're about to be moving. If we move into a bigger house, well, when we move into a bigger house, I want to put this as the game room couch, and then we might get a new couch for the living room that's a little bit more modern. But I really like what it did to our space. It definitely elevated it since we took away those raggedy ass couches, but I still don't know how to exactly decorate this other half of our house. Like, I'm thinking about getting rid of this coffee table. We can't get rid of this because we use this all the time to change Yo-Yo's diapers. So yeah, pretty much that's just it. I'm gonna keep you guys updated as I keep decorating the house. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for what I should do in terms of a coffee table. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye.